Yeah, man. Greetings, everyone. This is Stewie. Hope 2025 has been good to you so far. We made it to 2025. Let's at least be thankful for that. Things got pretty exciting over the holidays for Jamaica's aviation, with one local newspaper bringing an article of 18 arrivals, private jet arrivals in a single day. So immediately after reading the article, I went to the airport early in the morning, minutes before 8 o'clock, just to see what was actually happening at the I Am Jet Center where the private jets would be. And this is what Stewie saw. I counted 13, which I later learned that some would have dropped passengers and then departed, but these ones, interestingly, has been sitting there for days, so I'd assume that the owners for these are still on the island. I didn't dig too deep as to find out who they are or to get too close to check any tail numbers or anything, because I think these people deserve their privacy. While we're at it, let's all pick a jet. I picked the Bombardier Global 6000 right under the sandal sign. In 2021, a jet like that would have sold for 62 million and could go beyond that based upon what it is outfitted with. And by the way, that's US dollars. The one you saw on your screen earlier flew in from London Gatwick. That's a long way for a private jet, so hence the hefty price tag.
3758, arrive 48, vacate Alpha, when clear, contact ground 121.7.
Alpha 121.7, contact 3758.
American 875, line up and wait, runway 07.
But why not choose this Condor jet? The A330-900 Neo goes for close to 300 million US dollars. Wow. I hear there might be some turbulent headwinds ahead for Condor Airline after a recent court ruling separated them or ended a partnership with them and the German giants Lufthansa, which left Condor holding on to the unclean end of the stick. That's a story for another day. Stick and stay with me. I'll show you little clippings of how Jamaica welcomed 2025 at its second city, Montego Bay, Jamaica, with fireworks.
American 875, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots. Clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Blue 479, RFP, runway 7.
479, our Sanctuary Tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Prepare check, Blue 479.
American
27, American HFO.
479, arrive 54, vacate Alpha and clear ground 121.17.
17, JetBlue 479. We are fully ready for the march.
769er, Tower Roger, line up and wait, 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, 769.
Clear takeoff, 07, wind 070 degrees, 9 or not.
For takeoff, runway 07, 769. And then should we call departure immediately after takeoff, 769?
20.8.
Airborne 120.8 on the 769. Thank you, bye-bye.
Tower 33, thanks to Tower. Confirm fully ready to go.
Yeah, stand by Western 2433, needs about 30 seconds.
Sir, hold short, 07, advise fully ready.
Well, short, we'll measure, Western 243.
46 Yankee Juliet November Alpha 5 Alpha now runway 07.
Alpha, thanks to Tower, continue approach. Runway 07, wind at station 070 degrees, 8 knots.
Near approach runway 07. Copy the winds 6 Yankee Juliet November Alpha.
Good evening, Tom Jet 115, heavy, ready for departure.
One 115, thanks third Tower, Roger, hold short, 07, you're number 2 behind WestJet.
Short, Tom Jet 115.
Jet 2 for 33. Roger. Confirm you have the Cessna in sight.
You have the Cessna in sight, WestJet 2433, that's affirmative.
And the landing Cessna, line up and wait.
Miss Cessna, line up and wait, WestJet 2433.
November Alpha arrive, run 4, vacate Delta, proceed Alpha parking. WestJet 2433, clear takeoff, 07, surface wind 060 degrees, 9 or knots.
Off runway 07, WestJet 2433.
Jet 115, Tower.
Yeah, 115.
To runway 07.
807, Tom Joe 115.
Tree reset squawk 6754.
6754, there it is, WestJet's 2433.
Born 1608.
Have a good day, it was a pleasure seeing you guys, WestJet 2433.
Jet 115, surface wind 060 degrees, 9 knots, clear takeoff 07.
Clear takeoff 07, Tom Joe 115.
Contact 73. Decimal 8, take care.
08, Tom Jet 115, good day.
American 2239 are holding short runway 7.
American 2239, ground, roger. Confirm fully ready?
Fully ready, American 2239er.
American 2239, roger. Surface wind 060 degrees, 9 knots, clear takeoff 07.
Takeoff runway 07, American 2239.
November 501, Quebec Sierra on the RNP, runway 7.
511 Quebec Sierra, thanks to Tower Roger, continue approach number 2.
Approach 501 Quebec Sierra.
518, surface wind 070 degrees, 7 knots, clear to land 07.
Clear on 07, Air Transom 518.
Contact thanks to radar 120.8, take care.
Late American 2239, good day.
Virgin 108, heavy, tower.
Virgin 108, apologies, we just need 3 minutes, sir.
Apology needed. You got the 3 minutes. Take 4 if you like. Call fully ready.
Apologies, we are now fully ready, Virgin 108.
Plan for the wait, 07.
07, Virgin 108.
At 518, arrive at 44, vacate Bravo, contact the ground 121.7.
Decimal 7 and transat 518.
Remember 511 Quebec Sierra, continue approach, release in a Dreamliner.
Approach 511 Quebec Sierra.
Clear takeoff 07, surface wind 060 degrees, 8 knots.
Come 07, Virgin 108.
Number 511 Quebec Sierra, surface wind 070, land 07.
7, 501 Quebec Sierra.
120.8, take care.
Yeah, Merry Christmas 120.8, Virgin 108.
November 511, Quebec Sierra, arrive at 48, vacate Bravo, taxi across Alpha, parking.
Hello, taxi across Alpha 2, parking, 501 Quebec Sierra.
Good afternoon. Holding short runway 07 and ready for departure.
02447 Tower, good afternoon. Wind 060 degrees 8 knots. Cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, latitude 2447. Tower, good afternoon, Connor 3835 on Alpha, ready for departure.
Sure. Condor 3835, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, Connor 3835.
Just watch this on YouTube just like that.
Yeah, man.
That's wild.
Different time, eh?
Wind 060 degrees at 7 knots. Cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Yeah, runway 07, Connor 3835.
Nine eight seven Sandster Tower, good evening, ready to go. Door 3835, 0.8, good night.
20.8, good night, Connor 3835, bye.